Utpal, a lot of people who might vote for you, they're keen to know which way you would go if you get elected. Would you support a BJP government, or would you support a Congress government, or will you stay totally neutral to either side? What would be your strategy if you win?
No, this I have answered already. आत्ता थोड्या वेळ पयलीं म्हाका विचारलेलो की आय हॅव टू कीप माय वर्ड विथ द पीपल. दॅट मिन्स हांव आतां इंडिपेंडंट आसा एंड आय हॅव टू बी इंडिपेंडंट. आनी ज्या प्रमाणे हांव जे सिच्युएशन घेवन द वॉट एवर सर्कमस्टन्सीस आय हॅव कम आउट ऑफ द BJP, they still exist there. So in that situation I cannot go with that lot. Those circumstances will have to change, and they change about next 5 years I have to stay independent.
Okay. So next 5 वर्सां तूं सारको इंडिपेंडंट रावतलो. तूं
आतां तें कितें हें आसतलें आनी कशें पणजे खातीर म्हाका फुडें वचचें पडटलें, लोकां खातीर जॉब आसा, डेवलपमेंट आसा, हाचेर ते फुडें विचार करचो पडटलो. पण पयलीं पणजे जर वाचूंक जाय, सेफगार्ड करूंक जाय जाल्यार यू नो हूम आय हॅव टू डिफीट. आनी पणजेच्या लोकांकूय खबर आसा कोणाक हांवें डिफीट करूंक जाय.
I have a question to that. Were a situation to arise where the BJP needs only one seat, could you be persuaded to support them? Say, you know, we know how the government at the center works.
If BJP needs one seat, it won't be me that they will require. They will get whoever. You know, everyone knows that. And that's not only about one seat. Even if they require 6 seats, it won't. I don't have to be the person doing that. They will form the government from whatever other people they will find.